How to turn off dark mode on YouTube on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. The interface is currently in dark mode with a black background. Dark theme forces the YouTube app to always be in dark mode. Then tap on your Profile tab, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On your account page, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. This opens the main settings menu for the app. Tap the first option, General. Inside the General settings, tap on the Appearance option. This is where you control the app's theme. The Appearance screen presents three choices. Change the settings to light theme. The app's background immediately changes from black to white, confirming that dark mode has been successfully turned off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off dark mode on YouTube on an iPhone.